Sanding just got better. With a constant focus on better work processes and results, the Bona FlexiSand range lifts sanding to a higher level with the Bona ErgoEdge for faster, upright, ergonomic sanding. The new Bona ErgoEdge enables you to sand wider and closer than ever. Thanks to its 178mm wide curved discs, you can now perform 90% of all edge sanding while standing upright, without changing machine. Edge sanding is an integral part of all sanding. Traditional edge sanders give you the right reach and control of corners and edges, but edge sanding is often time-consuming, as well as grueling, with a lot of time spent kneeling. With Bona ErgoEdge, a normal working day with 3.5 hours spent crouching on the knees can now be reduced to a mere half an hour, transforming a grueling process into an uplifting sanding experience that you can enjoy. When you buy the ErgoEdge kit, you will receive 4 178mm discs, 4 interface pads and a distance wheel. These components make up the ErgoEdge kit. To be able to use the disc, you need to have a Bona Power Drive Connect plate with the Connect click system. The ErgoEdge discs are easily mounted on the Power Drive Connect disc with a simple click system. The discs themselves have a unique patent-pending concave shape which places more pressure on the edge of the disc, reaching closer to the wall, and it also affects the sanding power, which increases. Interface pads pick up vibration and make the machine run more smoothly. It is possible to use the ErgoEdge without the pads to reach even closer to the wall, but it will come to the cost of increased vibration, so be prepared for this if you choose to work without them. To sand close to the wall without damaging skirting boards or the sanding discs themselves, a distance wheel should be mounted on the machine, on the side facing the wall. Attach it with a supplied hex screw. The distance wheel uses the same screw hole as the holder for the extra weights, but there is no conflict, as extra weights should not be used together with the ErgoEdge. ErgoEdge stands for ergonomic sanding, but it should be noted that the ErgoEdge also delivers a more powerful sanding. More powerful sanding means greater strain on other components. The new Power Drive Connect is equipped with a stronger tower or spacer, which also has the benefit of lowering vibration during sanding. If you already own a Power Drive Connect, then it is possible to purchase the tower separately and upgrade your existing unit. Sanding wooden floors can be very satisfying, but few appreciate the edge sanding part. Maintaining a lean forward position for an extended period is tough on the back and hip, and the knees take a hit if sanding large spaces. With the ErgoEdge, the remaining edge sanding is reduced to a minimum, and sometimes one is even freed from it completely. The ErgoEdge means better everyday ergonomics for professional craftsmen. Another huge advantage is to save time. Using the ErgoEdge removes 90% of the time spent on edge sanding. Basically, the ErgoEdge will have paid for itself in 1 month in saved work hours, and the softer back you'll have at the end of the day is almost priceless. As you can see, the ErgoEdge reaches almost all the way up to the wall. If the skirting boards are removed during the sanding, they will often cover the remaining uncut line when refitted. If you are finishing with a lacquer, then you're good to go. If staining, complement with a Supraflex along the edges afterwards. For sanding the center of the room, attach and use 150mm sanding discs. The 178mm discs are tough to handle on large surfaces, and sustained use for center sanding is not recommended. ErgoEdge sands with very high efficiency without any extra weights on. The bigger discs and their concave shape produce a lot of sanding power. Please observe that the ErgoEdge should not be used with extra weights. It compresses the interface pads too much, places a lot of strain on the machine, and you're likely to blow the electrical fuse as the power consumption increases. If you are having power issues, moving up to a finer grit size can help as power consumption decreases. Another tip is to plug the machine and the DCS on 2 different sockets and circuit. If nothing helps, go back to using the standard power drive with 150mm discs. The powerful sanding quickly removes a lot of material from the surface. Have a DCS-70 connected and check the level occasionally. The DCS-70 may not pick up all the larger pieces, but picks up everything that would otherwise go airborne. The suction from the DCS also keeps a steady airflow down at the disc housing, helping to cool the discs. To handle the high sanding pressure and get the anti-static benefit, it is important to work with high quality abrasives. The ErgoEdge works with all Bona 178mm discs. Try our new Bona Net abrasives for an incredibly effective medium and fine sanding.